the 9 best wire strippers. Although your front teeth will do in a pinch, you always run the risk of chipping the enamel. Next time you have some electrical work to do around the house, try one of these wire strippers instead. We've included models appropriate for both home DIYers and those who make a living with their tools. All purpose-built to give you better control and more accurate snipping, stripping, and crimping. The list starts from Racketeer's Crocs. Once you feel the curvy grips of the Racketeer's Crocs, APPX, $29. You may never want to give them up. And while it's these hourglass-shaped handles that make them a standout, they also provide you with all the functionality that you'd expect. Good for general-purpose cuts, long-lasting and sturdy, but weak locking mechanism. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Horus the Automatic. Professionals may want to skip the Horus the Automatic, about $12, as it's better for homeowners and casual handy persons who are looking for multi-purpose functionality that won't put a squeeze on their budgets. A self-adjusting model, it provides fixed lengths for practicality. Good for crimping terminals. Highly visible bright orange, but plastic is less durable than some. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Cozy Portable. For recycling copper wire, you might want this Cozy Portable, APPX, $210, which can manage approximately 50 feet per minute. It weighs 33 pounds, but is not unnecessarily bulky, so it lives up to its name and moves from job site to job site easily. Variously sized feed holes, adjustable rollers and blades, but on the more expensive side. Well, here is the 7th one. Capri Tools Automatic. The low-priced, but high-quality Capri Tools Automatic, around $14, uses a pistol grip handle that provides control and comfort, even if you have a lot of work to do. Its narrow profile allows for easier access to particularly tight spaces. Compound stripping action for 10 to 24 gauge wire, but best for light duty. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Tecton 7-inch. The Tecton 7-inch, about $8, is one of the lowest price tools in this category that is still made well enough for regular use across a variety of applications. Its looping holes can be used to bend wire ends to fit around screw terminals. High contrast markings, spring-loaded self-opening handle, but safety lock keeps it closed. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Milwaukee 6-in-1. You can lighten your load with the Milwaukee 6-in-1, APPX, $29, as it's not only meant to perform a range of functions, but to do so without any significant weight or bulk. It'll cut numbers 6 and 8 bolts, smooth pipe edges, and more. Curved cutting blade, loops for tethering, but grips can slip off handles. Customers are keen, and according to them, one should buy this one. Nico Self-Adjusting. The Nico Self-Adjusting, about $14, is 3 tools in one, thanks to its ability to strip, crimp, and snip wires with aplomb. The finely machined, high-frequency heat-treated blades will hold their edges and allow for precision work for years to come. Suitable for copper or aluminum. Thumb wheel for adjustments, but good value for the cost. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Klein Tools Curve. This Klein Tools Curve, APPX, $11, has ergonomically designed handles with a gently curving shape that allows for comfortable, protracted use. The slender nose concentrates your gripping force, allowing you to tackle wires of all gauges and materials. Made in the USA. Glow-in-the-dark model available, but corrosion-resistant coating. According to reviews, the second best product is Irwin Vice Grip. The Irwin Vice Grip, APPX, $22, is built to last even under trying conditions. This fine choice is as suited to the tough work that comes with automobile repairs or industrial projects as it is to the more delicate touch needed for electronics and computer hardware. Easy to regulate stripping length, micro adjustment swivel knob, but backed by lifetime guarantee.